Welcome. The Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce presents How to Explode Your Channel Views for free. The strategy you are about to see is literally copy and paste easy. Also, you can start using it right away. Mr. P is using this on a brand new channel. All his traffic and views are free. About 79% of his traffic is external and it is from Facebook. Although YouTube is not against new channels, naturally it wants to see that your channel is serious and that your content is worthy, so new channels need help getting views. What you are going to see is exactly how Mr. P is getting a ton of traffic from Facebook, and you can do the same. Step 1 is to create a Facebook page. It is very easy and fast. You will find a video below if you need help. Your next step is to create a Facebook group. Click on the 9 dots near the top right, then click on Group. Next, follow the steps. Enter your group name, select a privacy option, add your details, tap Create Group. Step 3 is to join several Facebook groups that are relative to your niche, groups that will be interested in your content. Type into the Facebook search box the name of your niche or a keyword that describes your content followed by the word group, and hit search. Facebook will provide you with groups that you can join. Join as many groups that you will be able to interact with. Interaction is essential. Interaction means liking, commenting, replying to comments that you receive, and answering questions. In addition to posting your videos, when you do not interact, your posts are treated almost like spam. When you interact, your posts get attention, lots of attention, and best of all, your videos get lots of views. After publishing your video, post your video to your Facebook page, your Facebook group, and the Facebook groups that you have joined. To access those groups, click on the group icon. The groups will show up on the left side of your page. And be sure to take the time to interact so that you will get the most from your efforts. As you can see, new channels can get the views that they deserve, and they can get them for free. This strategy will also work for other social media platforms, but please remember that they are social, so interaction is the secret sauce that makes this work. If you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you. And allow me to ask you to consider joining this channel, so you will know when new videos are published. I thank you for watching, it is appreciated. I wish you much success. Watch this video next.